In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make teal and orange look in Affinity Photo. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to grade. The teal and orange look enhances contrast by cooling down blues and cyans while warming up reds and yellows, which flatters skin tones and adds cinematic depth. Once your photo is open, make sure you're working in the pixel persona at the top of the interface. This keeps you in the standard editing workspace where adjustments behave as expected. Next, hover over New Adjustment Layer to reveal your options and choose HSL. Using an HSL adjustment layer is non-destructive, so you can revisit and tweak it anytime. With the HSL panel open, start with the master controls to set an overall direction. A gentle hue shift can nudge the entire image slightly cooler or warmer, while small saturation and luminosity changes help set the base contrast. Now target individual color ranges. Select blues or cyans and move the hue shift a little toward green to create that teal tone. Add a touch of saturation shift to make the color read clearly, and, if needed, pull luminosity shift down slightly to deepen cool areas like skies or shadows. Then select reds and yellows. Push the hue shift subtly toward orange to warm skin and highlights. Increase saturation sparingly for vibrance, and raise luminosity a bit if faces or sunlit areas need lift. The key is restraint. Subtle slider movements often produce the most natural polished result. Throughout, keep an eye on neutrals, whites, grays, and black points so they don't pick up an unwanted color cast. Use the preview toggle on the adjustment to compare before and after, and fine-tune until the balance between teal shadows and warm highlights feels cohesive. That's it. By opening Affinity Photo, switching to Pixel, adding an HSL adjustment, and refining hue, saturation, and luminosity, you've built a clean teal and orange grade that suits everything from portraits to travel shots.